Time. It's what we measure our lives by. It's how we know when to wake up, eat lunch, and go to bed. But what exactly time? It's a question that has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. Some say time is an illusion. Others say it's the most real thing there is. One thing is for sure, time is a mystery. We can't see it, touch it, or taste it, but we know it's there. We feel it passing with every tick of the clock and every beat of our hearts. Understanding time is important. It helps us understand our place in the universe. It helps us make sense of our past, present, and future. So, let's embark on a journey to unravel the enigma of time. Early humans used the sun and moon to track time. The sun's movement across the sky marked a day. The moon's cycle of phases marked a month. Today we have clocks to measure time more precisely. Clocks use a variety of methods to keep time, from swinging pendulums to vibrating quartz crystals. We use calendars to organize longer stretches of time, like weeks, months, and years. Calendars are based on the Earth's journey around the sun. Have you ever wished you could go back in time, maybe to change a decision or relive a happy memory? Unfortunately, time seems to move only forward. This is called the arrow of time. Think of a glass of milk falling off a table and shattering on the floor. It's easy to imagine this happening. But it's impossible to imagine the shattered glass pieces magically reassembling themselves and leaping back onto the table. This is because of something called entropy. Entropy is a measure of disorder in a system, and the universe tends to move from order to disorder. This forward movement of time from order to disorder is a fundamental aspect of our universe. It's what makes the past different from the future. Time travel is a staple of science fiction, but could it be real? Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time is not absolute. It can be stretched and squeezed. This is called time dilation. Imagine a spaceship traveling at incredibly high speeds, close to the speed of light. Time would actually slow down for the people on the spaceship compared to people on Earth. So in a way, time travel is possible. But it's not as simple as hopping in a time machine and zipping back to the Jurassic period. We all know the feeling time seems to speed up when we're having fun and slow down when we're bored. This is because our perception of time is subjective. It's influenced by our emotions, our age, and even our culture. When we're young, time seems to stretch out endlessly. The summers are long and the school year feels like an eternity. But as we get older, time seems to fly by. The years blur together. This is because our brains process information differently as we age, and our perception of time is just another form of information. The universe had a beginning, the Big Bang. But will it have an end? And what does that mean for time? Some scientists believe the universe will keep expanding forever. Others believe it will eventually collapse in on itself in a big crunch. If the universe does end, what happens to time? Does it just stop? Or does it continue in some other form? These are questions that science is still trying to answer. We use time in many games and puzzles. In chess, we use timers to limit how long each player can think. In video games, we race against the clock to complete missions. And in puzzles like Sudoku, we try to solve them as quickly as possible. These games and puzzles remind us that time is a precious resource. We should use it wisely, and not waste it. Time is the most precious gift we have. We can't buy it, we can't save it, and once it's gone forever. That's why it's so important to value our time and use it wisely. Spend time with loved ones, pursue your passions, make memories that will last a lifetime. Don't waste time on things that don't matter. Remember, time waits for no one. Live each day to the fullest. Time is a mystery. It's a challenge. But most of all, time is an adventure. It's the journey of our lives from the moment we're born to the moment we take our last breath. So, embrace the mystery of time. Enjoy the ride. And never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.